Hello everyone. Now today we're going to see some more problem on normal form. Now look at the problem. Find the rank of a matrix by reducing into the normal form. Okay. Now the matrix they given A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 2 and 5, 4, 2, 10, 2, 3, 5, 2 and 3, 6, 9, minus 6 is 4 cross 4 matrix. Then when this we want to reduce into the normal form. Okay, now to convert into the normal form, now we need to know the which position we convert to 0. Okay, now is a even one position. Now first entry, now below of that convert to 0. Now these three position we convert to 0 using of this one. Now next is a to 2 position, below of this we need to convert to 0, nothing but these two position we convert to 0 using of this one. Now next this position is a 833 position, below of this we need to convert to 0. Now this position we need to convert to 0 using of this one. Okay, now first step, using of this one we need to convert these three positions to 0. Okay, now for that I use the operation R2 changes to convert to 0 this position, R2 changes to R2 minus 5R1. Now this we will get convert to 0. Next R3 changes to convert this position 0, R3 minus 2R1. 2 here minus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 0. Now next R4 changes to R4 minus 3R1. 3 minus 3 into 3 is 0, that's why 0. Now R1 no changes here, only R2, R3, R4 changes. R1 no changes, same entries, write it here. 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Okay, now next this position convert to 0. 5 minus 5 into 1 is 5 is 0. Next 4 minus 5 into 2, 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Next 2 minus 5 into 3, 2 minus 15, 2 minus 15 is minus 13. Now 10 minus 5 into 2, minus 5 into minus 2 plus, right, 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. Now next R3 changes to this operation, R3 minus 2R1. Here 2 minus 2 into 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, now 3 minus 3 2 into 2, 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Now next 5 minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Now next 2 minus 2 into 2 is plus 2, right, plus 4, right, 2 plus 4 is 6. Now next R4 changes to R2, R4 minus 3R1. Now 3 minus 3 into 3 is 0. Now 6 minus 3 into 2, 0. Now 9 minus 3 into 3 is 0. Now minus 6 minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, right, minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Now next, now see here below of A11 we are convert to 0 here. Now next below of A22. Now this position convert to 0, these two position convert to 0, already this is 0. Now this position convert to 0. For that use the operation R3 changes to 6 R3 minus R2, right, here 6 into minus 1 is minus 6, minus into minus plus 6 becomes 0. Now next, now there is no change for R1, R1 is same, R2 also same, only change in R3. Now here 0, right, 6 into 0 is 0, minus 0 is 0. Now next minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, minus 1 into here minus 6 is plus 6, minus 6 plus 6 0. Now next minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, minus into minus 13 is plus 13, 6 minus 6 plus 13 is plus 7. Now 6 here, 6 into 6 is 36 minus 20, 36 minus 20 is 16. Okay, now next R4 no changes, R4 as it is. Now next column changes. Now see here, remember one thing. Now using this operation we convert this position 0. Again use this operation to convert this position 0. But we need to use the operation that we are not making the non-zero quantities to converted zeros. Okay, if we use one operation here, now these are 3 zeros we convert in a previous step. If we use this operation on R3, now for this position we can't be converted to 0. Now that are the operation we need to use it. Okay, if we use one operation, if you convert the zero entry as a converted to non-zero, then your operation will run. Okay, now that we need to make a sense. Okay, that we need to remember it. Then our operations are not converted for a 0 to non-zero, only converted non-zero to 0. Now that we need to have a sense to continue for the previous next operations. Okay, now we use operation on R3 where our wish to convert this is 0. Then the operation cannot be effected for this position 0, right? Now this we convert to 0 by using this position also 2. But if we use that R1, then this position will convert a non-zero. Now better you remember, if you want to convert for below A11 position 0, use A11 only. If you want to convert below A22 position, use A22 only. If you want to convert below A33, use A33 only. That we need to remember it. Okay. Now up to this step, we convert below A110, below A220, below A330. Okay. A440 already we don't have a below A44. The next step you convert to B side of A11, B side of A22, B side of A33. Now for B side you need to use for column operation. Okay. Now here this position convert to 0, this position. For that I use operation C2 changes to C2 minus 3 2C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus 3C1 and C4 changes to C4 plus 2C1. Now there is no change for C1. C1 as it is. C1 as it is. Now next C2 changes to C2 minus 2C1. Here 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Now here minus 6. Minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus 6 only. Now 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Now next 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Now next this operation C3 changes to C3 minus 3C1. Now 3 minus 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. 13 minus 3 into 0 is 13. Now 7 minus 3 into 0 is 7. 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0. Okay. Now here C4 changes to C4 plus 2C1 minus 2. Here plus 2 into 1 is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Now 20 minus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is 20 only. 16 plus 2 into 0 is 16 only. Now 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0 only. Okay. Now next these two positions convert to 0. For that I use operation C3 changes to this changes to make it same term. Now 16 into 13. Okay, same term is 13 into 6, right? 13 into 6 is 78, right? Here minus 78 plus minus into minus plus 78 becomes 0. Now C4 changes to 3 into 20 is 60 and plus 6 10 into minus 6 is minus 60. Plus 6 to minus 60 become 0. Okay. Now use this operation. Turn on a page. Now use operation to get for there is no change for C1 and C2 and C3 C4 changes. We use this. You can get this term. Okay, C4 changes to now this become to 0. 42 into C4 and 48 into C3. We convert to this position 0. Now get a identity matrix. Now R2 will divide with the minus 6 and R3 is divided with the 42. Okay, now we can have the identity matrix here. Now here identity matrix exists with the 3 by 3 order, right? Now if we have a 1 is a 4 by 4, but this position we can't have a 1. Simply the identity matrix we have in 3 by 3 only. Okay, now 3 by 3 remaining is one column 0 and one row 0, right? Now rank of a matrix is 3, right? Rank of a matrix is 3, right? Yeah, 3 by 3 order. Rank of a matrix is 3.